What's up guys, Dave here. It's a 1996 BMW Z3. This will apply to many different Z3 and possibly other BMW models. If you need to change the alignment of the headlight beam, if yours are pointing down too low or too high or whatever, it's very easy to adjust them. You don't need any tools. You just need to pop the hood, which of course the hood latch is right down there on the left side of the footwell. Pull that guy open and come around to the front. Lift up, and the release mechanism is right there. Right there. Lift up on it, and my key is on, so that's why you hear a buzzing sound. This dial right here, you just turn that dial by hand and watch the beam against the wall right there. That's raising it. If you're basically turning it clockwise, if you're facing the light beam itself. So that's up. And then, or you're tightening it, so to speak. Loosening it brings it back down. And you want them to be the same, of course. And then the other dial is to the left of it, right there. Just inside there, so it's right inside the far side. It's a little tough to turn. You may need to lubricate it a little bit, especially if yours has never been adjusted. So it'll be the same thing. You'll turn this dial inside here to turn it left or right, and then the same on the other side. That right down there, same deal. And you may have to go test drive it to make sure they're high enough or not too high, or whatever your needs are. Mine were a little bit low actually, so I brought them up a tad. And that's all there is to it. So yeah, check out our other videos about this car. 1996 BMW Z3. This is a 1.9 liter M44 engine with the Magnuson Supercharged kit, as you see right there. Really peppy car, totally fun to drive. I've got other videos about that, about driving this car, and I'll do other videos, about fixing things and, easy little stuff that most people can do. But yeah, sharp car. Lots of fun to drive. And we got other videos of other cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, Harley Davidsons, Yamaha motocross bikes, all kinds of stuff on our channel. So let's check it all out. And look for our social media links in the description, as well as we got eBay store, Amazon store. Look for those links in the description as well. You'll have a great day. We'll see y'all later.